Hello, and welcome to today's video, where we will be making homemade peanut butter cookies using only 3 ingredients. Let's get started, shall we? You will need peanut butter, an egg, and sugar. You will need a baking sheet, a mixing bowl, a measuring cup, and a spoon and fork. Preheat the oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. First, you will get 2 cups of peanut butter and put into your bowl. This is equivalent to 16 tablespoons. I used 14 tablespoons because it's supposed to make your cookies more gooey. Next, add 1 cup of sugar. Then add 1 egg. Now mix all of the ingredients together until it's well blended. Now take a spoonful of the dough and make 1-inch balls. Then you will take a fork and press it into the balls, making a crisscross pattern. Bake the cookies for 12 minutes. Once out of the oven, you can then place the cookies on a cooling rack if you prefer. However, be careful because they may still be stuck to this sheet and difficult to pull up. you have your finished product. A little messy, but still tasted really good. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.